Hello everyone, I'm Shweta and I'm a postgraduate. I have done my bachelor's and master's in applied psychology. In this video, I will discuss a psychology topic, that is popular notions about the discipline of psychology. Third is popular notions about the discipline of psychology. Regarding human behavior, many popular theories based on common sense or the layman explanations became popular. That means psychology was never considered a separate discipline in earlier times. Instead, it was considered a common sense which is present in everyone, and everyone should behave based on the common sense. But gradually, various scientific experiments and researches were conducted to prove psychology as a separate and scientific discipline, which is not just a common sense, but instead a proper scientific explanation about the human behavior. Because of these scientific explanations, the myths and misunderstandings regarding psychology were solved, and the commonsensical knowledge of psychology or human behavior was replaced by a scientific and proper definitions of psychology. Thank you. For any queries, you can mail me on this email ID. For more information, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye bye.